Semilla is a 465 square feet restaurant, and there's only 3 of us in the kitchen, plus a dishwasher and 2 or 3 servers. So we have to make dishes that we're able to plate relatively easy and fast, and dishes that are like beautifully stunning and also like really delicious. So when we opened Semilla, it started with the idea that I've seen waste happening a lot, and I just don't want to be part of it. By not wanting to throw things away, we discovered that we started creating a pantry that was influencing our dishes almost as much as the product itself.
You know, when you have a close relationship with the people and the product itself, you really don't want to throw it away in the trash can.
We were roasting whole onions, and then I saw all these onion skins being thrown in the garbage, and I was like, let's just dehydrate them, let's see what happens. And then we made a powder out of it, and that's the powder that was finishing the ramp dressing on the crudité dish. For me, that's like a dish that perfectly shows what we do at Semilla, which is taking like something really simple and trying to highlight it and put it on a tasting menu element, and at the same time not wasting a single part of that onion.
Using these items to reinforce flavor again and again, whether it's through a vinegar, an oil, a powder, whatever, a sugar or something. So, you know, before we throw anything in the trash can, we're always reconsidering like how can we potentially extract more flavor from this for something else.